Hello. Hello.
Sir, you are audible.
Yes. Hello. Huh.
Yes, sir.
So we were discussing about the flanges. The main purpose of using flange is for joining two parts of a pipe or with a portion of an equipment with another. Okay, such that you want to attach the detachable heads with the pressure vessel cell. So in that case also we can use the bolted flange system. And you also see that depending on the purpose, okay, the flange may be categorized in different ways. As for example, you see here, that is the end positions. Depend on the end positions, the flanges may be welded neck, slip-on flange, screwed flange, lap joint and blind. And based on their faces, okay, the surface, okay, on so depending on their faces maybe standard, non-standard, wide and narrow. So today we will discuss the different types of narrow face flanges. So this is the flange. Okay, flange is always used in a pair. Now we are showing one of them. So you see here, no surface is raised. Okay, all are at the same plane, and these are the bolt hole. And the gasket is placed over the all the surface of the flange width. Okay, so it is known as the white face flanges. But if some part of the flanges is raised, okay, those the gasket cannot fit to the all the width, and that is known as the narrow face. Now, what is the narrow face flange? I already wrote all these last classes. So rest face flange, the portion of the flange face is raised and finished with spiral or concentric grooves to hold the gasket. So you can see here a surface of the flange is raised, okay, from the surface of the flange width. So this portion, okay, there is some millimeter, 1 2 millimeter, the surface is raised, and the gasket cannot place to the all the width from here to there. Okay, let me attach my writing pad. Just a minute. So, so this portion is raised. Let me color this one. So this is a this surface is raised. Okay, this surface is raised. So gasket only fit on this area. So that is the narrow face flange. Now, portion of the flange face is raised, and there is some spiral or concentric grooves. Okay, here the gasket will be placed in this surface. Okay, so here a spiral or a concentric groups are there, very minute in micro levels, so that the gasket is properly placed there. Okay, so to increase the friction between the surface of the flange and gasket material, so thus very micro level concentric circles or groups are fabricated. Then the gasket width is less than the width of the rest face. Now, you see here the type of narrow face is the rest face flange, male and female, tongue and groove, and ring face. So, this is the picture for the rest face flanges, and the corresponding schematic diagram is like this. You see here one pair of the flanges is attached by the bolt. This surface is raised for both the flanges, and this is the hole for fluid passing or for connecting the pipes. And the blue color, what you have seen, is nothing but the gasket for the leakage proof. So this is the raised flange. Next is the male and female. Here you see there is a raised portion. Okay, so you can see it is the raised portion. Here also a raised portion is there. Now you see that one flange facing recessed while other having a corresponding raised portion. So this raised portion, okay, can be fitted of the other flanged recessed portion, and in between that there should be a gasket or leakage proof. Okay, so this type of flange is known as the male and female faced flange. And if we see, okay, so this raised portion can be fitted with these recessed portions and attached by the bolt. And another similar type of flange, narrow faced flange, is known as the tongue and groove. If you see at first look, it may have same, but it is not. So at first, let me show the tongue and groove raised flange. So these are the raised face. It is, you see here. So these are the raised face. This is the tongue. Okay, and here also a raised face, but a groove is made. Okay, and in the groove, the tongue is fitted. So you see here the schematic diagram of both male and female and tongue and groove. You see here at first tongue face. This is the tongue face, right side. This is the tongue face, and this is the groove. A groove is made a circular, and both are perfectly fitted, and a diameter is placed in between the portions. Okay, these and these. Okay, a ring type. Okay, what is ring type gasket? What we use as in our daily life pressure cooker. So that is a ring type gasket may be fitted here. A group is made, and but in the male and female portion, this is the rest portion of the male face, and similarly recess portion is there that shows that this rest portion of the male face can be fitted in this portion. So here is a group, but here is not group, but a recessed and a rest portion is there. So that is the main difference between the tongue and groove. And the last is the ring-faced flanges. You don't go for this. The title, okay, the name is wrong. It should be the ring-faced. So you see here, this is the case for the ring face flanged. At first you see here the identical groups in both the faces. Okay, in the tongue and groove, male and female, the faces are not identical. But here, in the ring face, the identical groups usually trapezoidal in shape on both flange face. And this is the ring gasket, fits in the groups and is well protected. So a ring gasket, so suppose this is the gasket and it can be placed, okay, here, it can be placed here, sorry, it can be perfectly placed here and can be attached with the port. So this is the ring faced flanged. And if you see the schematic, okay, so that is the flat face. You see our face is completely flat. Okay, so this is the flat face flanged. This is the raised face, a portion little bit raised 2 mm, 3 mm max. A portion is raised. Okay, then the lap joint, lap and socket. Okay, I just already discussed all these two joint. Ring joint. Okay, ring flange. I just. Then the male and female type. Okay, this male portion can be fitted here. And the tongue and groove. A groove is made, so that's the raised portion of the tongue is fitted. So this is the different type of the flanged, narrow faced flanged. And you please write down it, this formula, flange thickness, how to get the flange thickness. So the equation is G root over P by K into F plus the corrosion allowances, where K is a constant and K can be estimated using these equations. G is the diameter of gasket, load reaction. So I will explain all this. You just write down the formula for the time being. What is the gasket load reactions? What is the HG, WM? Okay, I will discuss one by one. And P, you know, it is known as the design pressure, working pressure into 1.1 or 1.2, whatever you are taking, 1.15, whatever. And F is the permissible stress, B is the bolt circle diameter. Anyway, I will discuss all this. Okay, you just write down these formulas. And WMHG, you just write down. Okay, so these are the different types of the flanges and their thickness. How to calculate the thickness. Now, so here I will give two assignment of your design one lab. So since both are related, okay. So let us give two next assignment. Now I am stop sharing here and let me open the new. So now you can see here the next assignment of your design lab is that to draw the different type of heads. We already discussed the different type of heads. Main category is the flat head and another is the formed head. And in flat head, okay, so different type of weldings are there. You see here the black portion is nothing but the different type of welding. And in the formed head, different type of heads also there. Okay, disc, okay, shallow, then the shallow disc, then the spherical, okay, ellipsoidal or elliptical, hemispherical, then the conical, okay, different type of heads are there. So I am showing this as per your reference. Don't copy it completely blindly. You can get these figures from any standard book also. And this is the how you have to design or how you to draw. Rather draw. It is not design but drawing. So I'm just for that purpose I am showing it. So you have to show all the form heads mentioning its name, its different radius, knuckle radius, ground radius, diameter of the shell, okay, all this, okay, and you will get this figure from the Joshi's book or Bhattacharya's book. So these are the first. This is the first assignment. That is the assignment number or sheet number 3, and the next is that yes, and the next is that is the sheet number 4. Okay, this is the different type of the flanges. As you know, it can be categorized with different way. So it is also for your reference. Don't copy it, but you rather draw what I have supplied the PPT. Okay, only the schematic diagram, not all the full faced. Okay, three body diagram. Okay, so the schematic diagram of all your flanges, like the slip-on flanges, okay, blind flanges, like the socket. So all these flanges, as well as for all the narrow faced flanged. Okay, I have shown already. So you have to draw the schematic of that. Okay, and so in the left, okay, if I zoom it, yes, you can see that is the welded neck flange, slip-on flange, lap joint, screwed flange, blind flange. Okay, I have given the perfect figure schematic diagram in the last PPT. So you can draw from there. Okay, this is based on the types of attachment. Okay. Now, these are the plain flange. Okay, and this is the rest face flange. I have shown just two type of flanges. This is the male and female tongue and group. I think it is the ring. Yes, it is the ring. And here they draw some standard flanges. Okay, so you will get the standard flanges figure in Joshi. You can see it from here also. Okay, so I'm not giving any dimension, diameter. So you take the appropriate dimensions. Okay, not small, not too much small, not very big. Okay, so according to that, you will draw all this, and the main purpose is to familiar with the different type of the schematic diagram of flanges. Okay, so and similarly, a nameplate and a margin should be there. Okay, so these are the sheet number 4, and you start drawing. I will write the date of submissions and the mode of submissions in your WhatsApp group later. But you please start. Okay. So I will send this to Pritish and Pritish और कौन है?
Foundation.
हाँ, उन लोगों को भेज दूंगा तुम लोगों को और you just share it. Okay, because in my phone there is no space. So that's why I can't share it to my phone. Okay, so you please share it in your WhatsApp group. So after the class, I will send it. And these are the assignment. And at the last, I will give another, okay, total 5 sheets. So these are the number 4. And after that, I will give a small sheet. So total number 5. And after that, I will take a slip test. Okay, in where I can ask to draw some figure, okay, from the symbols, from the flange, from the edge with a particular dimension. But for the time being, you do it without any specific dimension. And if you need, okay, if you need, I can send this. I want this type of schematic diagram to be drawn. Okay, not this. Okay, so these are the schematic diagram. Okay, here you can also draw it here. Okay, like this or this. That is also very good. Okay, showing the gasket, rest face bend. Okay, you can draw any either piece. Okay, because both are identical. For this case, rest face. So you can show any one, not both. But here you have to draw both the okay, the all means both the pieces because the surface is not identical for this case female and groups. Okay, here also you can draw one because the surface is identical, both the surface. Okay. So this is the class, and I think I have covered almost 85% of your syllabus in CPED. I have enough time okay, for the problem solving, and I will take the viva, okay, of individual students. So I have enough time, and if possible, I will take two classes, okay, because the three classes not even needed now after the Durga Puja. If I let me think, okay, so now your attendance. Huh. Row number 1.
Present, sir.
Yes. Row number 2,
Two present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Five present, sir.
6, 8,
Roll number 8 present, sir.
9,
9 present, sir.
10,
10 present, sir.
11,
11 present, sir.
12,
12 present, sir.
13, 14,
14 present, sir.
15,
16 present, sir.
16,
16 present, sir.
17,
17 present, sir.
18,
18 present, sir.
19,
19 present, sir.
20, 21,
Present, sir. 21 present, sir.
22,
20 present, sir.
23,
23 present, sir.
24, 25,
25 present, sir.
26, 27, 28,
28 present, sir.
29,
29 present, sir.
30,
30 present, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
32,
32 present, sir.
33,
33 present, sir.
34,
34 present, sir.
35,
35 present, sir.
36,
36 present, sir.
37,
37 present, sir.
38,
Sir, 38 present, sir.
39,
39 present, sir.
40,
40 present, sir.
41,
41 present, sir.
42,
Sir, 38 present, sir.
42,
Hello.
43,
43 present, sir.
44,
44 present, sir.
45,
45.
46,
46 present, sir.
47,
47 present, sir.
48,
48 present, sir.
59,
49 present, sir.
50,
50 present, sir.
51,
Present, sir.
52,
Present, sir.
54,
54 present, sir.
55,
55 present, sir.
56,
56 present, sir.
57, 58,
58 present, sir.
59,
59 present, sir.
53
60.
present.
60, 61.
61 present, sir. 61 present.
Okay, okay. $64, 62.
62 present.
63 present, sir. 63 present, sir.
62 है?
62 present, sir.
Okay. 60, 64, 65,
65 present, sir.
66,
66 present, sir.
67, 68,
8 present, sir.
69,
69 present, sir.
70,
70 present, sir.
21,
71 present, sir.
22,
72 present, sir.
23,
73 present, sir.
24,
74 present, sir.
75,
75 present, sir.
76,
76 present, sir.
77,
77 present, sir.
78,
78 present, sir.
79,
79 present, sir.
80, 81,
81 present, sir.
82,
82 present, sir.
83, 84,
84 present, sir.
85,
85 present, sir.
86,
86 present, sir.
88,
88 present, sir.
89,
89 present, sir.
90, 91,
91 present, sir.
92,
92 present, sir.
93, 94, 95,
95 present, sir.
96,
96 present, sir.
97,
97 present, sir.
99,
99 present, sir.
100,
7 for 100.
101,
Present, sir. 101.
2,
102 present, sir.
3, Saurabh,
103 present, sir.
4, Suraj,
Present, sir. 104 present.
6, Thakur Shapnil, Deepak,
106 present, sir.
7,
107 present, sir.
108, Tirtha,
108 present, sir.
9, Shashank, Vedak,
110 present, sir.
okay, 111,
Sir, 111 present.
12,
112 present, sir.
13,
113 present, sir.
14, Jibraj Singh, Palak Jain,
Present, sir. 115 present.
16, Abhinit,
116 present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
Aswad, 18,
Present, sir. 118.
19,
119 present, sir.
roll number 49,
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
okay.
Sir, 013 present.
62 present.
Sir,
Ah.
53 present.
67 present, sir.
Sir,
013, 013 present,
53 present.
53,
Yes, sir.
53 तो प्रेजेंट है कितने बार बोलोगे हाँ
Okay.
67 present, sir.
67,
Sir, roll number 90.
90,
Sir, 013.
Roll number 81.
013,
Yes, sir.
हाँ प्रेजेंट,
Sir, roll number 81.